Hello fam, welcome back to Vlogmas day 14. I am currently in my kitchen trying to get some dinner started. I'm making spaghetti for dinner tonight. My husband said he wanted some spaghetti because he loves his wife's spaghetti, so that's what I'm making tonight. So I'm gonna do a little bit of cooking. I'm trying to vlog a little bit, and I might decorate my coffee station. So without further ado, let's just continue with this vlog. Today has been a long day, guys. I know that I say that all the time, but seems like, you know, you get so busy in the daytime and you're trying to get so many things done, and I'm trying to get a video out for you guys. But I have been really enjoying Vlogmas, coming up with different ideas and different projects to do for you guys. If you hear some noise in the background, that's my hubby. He is putting together some bites. Our company is donating a couple of bites, some little gift bags, toys and stuff like that, you know, just to give back and to show our community that we appreciate them. So I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see the hubby, what he's doing. What you doing?
Just putting together one of these little bites that we're going to donate.
Okay, so you already got this one up, and this is what, for 3, 4 y'all?
I'm about to say 1 through 4. So.
Hold it up, let me see.
Oh what?
The bite. That's sporty. And you see Bruno is in the cut there. Bruno, say hi. Bruno, say hi. He doesn't feel like talking, guys. You know, he's grouchy. And here is my little card rack that I need to, well, not card rack. I don't know why I call it a rack, but it's just a little sign that I'm going to be using for my card. I have gotten some more cards. I just haven't attached them to my sign, and I'll wait for hubby to put my sign up. So right now he is putting up a bite, and as soon as he finished with that, I guess he'll put up my sign. You'll put up my sign for me, babe? Okay. So guys, this is my spaghetti and it looks so delicious. Oh, this looks so good, so good. So I'm going to be making some garlic bread and some corn to go along with it. I hope we have some. I have to check in the freezer, but that's what we're going to be eating tonight for dinner. Here are some snowman containers. I don't think they are cups because they're a little too small, so I'm not sure if you can use them for cups. I just think they are stackable containers. So I'm filling them up, but you'll see in the next clip I had to kind of rearrange them, and I'll stack them so you can see how cute they look all stacked together. So I'm just going to take out the ones that I put in the first time. I decided to put the tea on the bottom, and in the middle put the sweetener, and then the top container I just placed some little candies because I wanted to arrange them in the order that I use the items the most. So the tea I don't use that much. The sweetener I do use on a daily basis, and I just place the candy on top, and as you see, it's going to spell out the word joy, and on the back it says let it snow. I just thought these little stackable containers was just so cute, guys. Let go of your worries, stripes and cares. I'm going to give you guys a quick overview of how my coffee station turned out. You know, we always start over here by the Keurig with this cute snowman mug I got from the Dollar Tree. In the back is a cookie container that I got from Target, and it was only $5, and I just have some snacks inside. I have some candy, I have some little cakes and some other snack bars. I even have some of my tea stirrers in here. So I placed all of these items inside of this cookie jar, and I placed it in the corner there. And I have my syrup next to the cookie jar, and next to the syrup I have this awesome container that I got from the thrift store, and I think I only paid $3 for this. I hauled it in one of my thrift store hauls, and I have some of my K-cups inside of this beautiful container here. I just love this container, guys. I couldn't wait to style it. So this 2-tier tray I got from Target Bullseye Spot. I just placed some little snowman mugs on it, and that stackable container I placed on the top shelf in a little Christmas tree. And yeah, I'm just giving you an overview of how the total look came out. And I also stacked some little bowls that I got from the Dollar General last year on clearance. And I really love this snowman theme. I think everything came out really cute. You got them all done? How many? Okay, I'll help him so we can eat. Let me help him. So these are the little gift bags that we got made up so far that we're gonna donate. Just a little something to give back. So I'm gonna help him real quick so we can eat and get ready for tomorrow, because we have to deliver all this stuff. Okay guys, this is dinner for the night. We end up not having any corn, so it's just spaghetti and the garlic rolls. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.